QTTB. This is Q32 Bio. We talked about this in the A block a little bit. Just as a reminder, Q32 Bio shares trading higher after the company announced the 36-week top-line results from its Part B of the Signal AA Phase 2A clinical trial. So we got good data here. The stock did pop in the after hours on Friday and then popped again on very, very high volume this morning. And it's held its VWAP. So some of these, we see it report something great, it skies, and then it crashes through the VWAP and looks weak. This stock looking a little bit different here. The short interest on this name, 8.31% with 1.61 days to cover. So this is not, it's elevated, but it's not, I don't think, anything to worry about personally. Float 8.14 million. 13, what do you got here?
So this company had news on Friday that they were going to release this phase 2A clinical trial data for looks like this Signal AA 36-week top line results of Part B from that drug. So that's what we were alerted to this on Friday, and it already started the move. You can see that on Friday in the after hours we had gone straight up all the way to $17. And then we kind of cooled off a little bit, went sideways into the weekend. Here we are, Monday. As promised, they did release that phase 2A clinical trial data, and we are off. So now that we're beyond 17, which when we first had that data released this morning, we popped right back up to, or when we first opened in pre-market, we popped right back up to that 17 area, got rejected. We went sideways until the actual release of the data around 7 a.m. this morning, and then we popped up into the 20s, going as high as 23. Now we're still hanging out here above 17. So to me, 17 is going to be one of our support areas, as is the 65 EMA. What was previously resistance has now become support. The company does not have any revenue, but it does have a good amount of cash, and it's not profitable, as most biotechs are. And the balance sheet looked okay. This wasn't the one I was concerned about. If we go, it looks like $20 is roughly the next resistance. If we break through that, then I would say 21.25 is going to be the next resistance after that, and then 23. So don't know if we'll get that in the pre-market. Okay. It looks like we're just kind of setting up to make that move. So we may get it in the pre-market, we may get it in the regular session, but for now, it's just going sideways.
Okay, we'll see what we get here. QTTB, real quick, looking at the chart here, I don't have much in terms of a fair value gap. I have a little one that was unmitigated down here, but this was really prior to a big impulse move, so I don't feel all that great about that. But okay, good breakdown there, QTTB. Real quick here, 13. First of all, I want to Lakshmi. It's great to see you again, Lakshmi. One of our, can we call him a founding member of the happy hour show? When we started that around COVID, Lakshmi would come in there quite a bit. Really funny guy too. So welcome back here. But I wanted to highlight this. Lion, first of all, I saw that you were still at the beach here. I don't know how you're mad about politicians while you're at a beach with the family, but I'm just going to leave that one alone. I will say I completely agree with this comment here. The earnings season is going to be the big decider for the faith of this market. I don't know if I'd use the word faith, but the next direction here, without a doubt, that starts tomorrow morning. We get some of the big banks tomorrow morning. Citibank, Bank of America, JPM, bunch of earnings here start tomorrow morning. Let me know if you folks are on any of this. Lion, it seems to me, based on your comment here, you're waiting to see what the earnings are before you decide what direction it is. Let me know if any of you have a thought on where we're going to go next.